Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Drive. This gives you access to sharing controls immediately. Once signed in, click New and choose File Upload or Folder Upload. Select multiple items with Control or Command to save time. Make sure to place files into clearly named folders and add simple version labels like V1, V2 so collaborators know what to use. Doing this first reduces confusion later and speeds up permission setup when you start sharing. Next, you set permissions so the right people can act on files. Right-click a file or folder and choose Share, add collaborators by email or create a link. Then pick a role, viewer, commenter, or editor, because roles determine whether someone can change content. Once done, use expiration dates or disable options for temporary access, and open advanced settings to prevent downloads or transfer ownership if needed. These steps control collaboration and protect your work while keeping edits organized. Finally, send the link or email invite and include a short message so recipients know what to do. Choose whether to notify them by email. Make sure to test access immediately. Open an incognito window or a secondary account to verify view versus edit rights. If collaborators report issues, check the link settings, confirm they use the right Google account, and ensure you haven't hit storage or sharing quotas. One key troubleshooting tip: change the link to restricted temporarily to reassign permissions safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.